Welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing a house tour. So I am in Costa Rica. So I am in Costa Rica in Jaco. They call it Jaco. They call it Jaco. And today I am doing a house tour. So I'm doing a house tour and I'll be showing you my house. And that's me over there. Yeah. That's me over there, and this is how the bathroom looks like. Very nice and chic. And this is the decor they did on the toilets. This is nice. There's like some nice decoration going on. Come over to the kitchen, and this is our table, and that's my phone, of course. And these are the chairs. So nice. And we have like a very huge fridge. Then we have this nice flower, which is nice and beautiful. Oh guys, look at that. This looks like, and we have a bathroom in here. So this is the bathroom on this side of town. Whoops. This is a bathroom on this side of town. We have this nice decor as well. Oh guys, this is so cute. And this, oh my god, this is so soft. This is like the best thing about this place. This is so soft. I love it, I love it, I love it. And then we have and then this is the living space, which is nice, and these are really soft. Oh, these are really soft and nice. And we have my tripod, and over there, just right there, we have my drone. So we'll unpack it later and I'll show you. And then over here we have the most amazing view of all times. Let me show you. So you can just sit over here like so and watch the view. Oh my god, it's so hot. And watch the view. And over there you have their chairs. And oh, that's me. Oh my god, look at you, girl. And this is the bedroom in here. Oh, but you can't see anything. This is the bedroom over here. And these are the chairs, the table. I can't wait to sit here, sip some wine, and have like nice conversations with nice people. And then yeah, guys, now you're going right in. Oh, this is our house. So yeah, guys, this is our house. This is where we live for the whole week. We'll be here. This is in Jaco in Costa Rica. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't liked this video, please do like, comment and subscribe. And you know, let's go on vacation. Let's just go out and have some lovely fun.